In the following verse of the Holy Quran, Allah, the Exalted, commands Muslims not to spy on each other. Chapter 49 Al-Hujurat, verse 12.
And do not spy.
This is when a person purposely inquires about people or a thing in order to find out things which do not concern them. This behavior only leads to further sins, such as backbiting and slandering. In a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 6064, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, specifically ordered Muslims not to spy on one another and indicated that it prevents Muslims living in harmony. This habit will always block a Muslim from perfecting their faith, as one cannot achieve this without staying away from things which do not concern them. This has been advised in a narration found in Jami'a at-Tirmidhi, number 2317. Spying causes one to uncover the faults of others, which according to a narration found in Sunan Ibn Majah, number 2546, leads to the exposure of one's own faults and their public disgrace. It is therefore better for a Muslim to concentrate on things which concern them, such as rectifying their own faults. And the same way a Muslim would dislike people spying on them, they should not spy on others.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.